Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arthur Volpe, and I will be your SAT tutor once again. So today, my real intention in making this video is to show you guys a different way of solving systems of equations problems. This is an important video because systems of equations problems comprise about 60 to 80 points on the SAT. And when you consider that there are 800 points, and of those 800 points, 60 to 80 of them belong to this one category alone, it's pretty significant. So the reason why I want to make this video is because usually when people are doing system of equations problems, what they end up doing is they either try to use elimination or substitution. If you can use substitution, do it. It's going to be really quick and you're probably not going to make a lot of errors. The problem occurs when people start trying to do elimination on the SAT. This is when shit happens. People make mistakes on the algebra. People don't know how to convert. If we can dodge elimination, we should try to dodge elimination. So let me show you one way to do it. So they're asking for the value of an expression, a plus b. If you see a system of equations problem and they're asking for the value of an expression, the chances are there is a very easy way of solving it without having to do elimination. And I'm going to show you exactly how. So look at these two equations. It's asking for the value of a plus b. If we can arrange it so that a plus b are in one of the sides of the equation, we're golden. Here's how we're going to do it. 3 plus a, 8a. We can add them because they have the same variables. 2, wait, hold on. Wait, this is not 8. This is 7a, okay? And then 2 plus 5 is 7b. And then 24 plus 53 is 77, right? Well, look at how awesome this is. All we have to do now is divide everything by 7. And then what do we get? A plus b is equal to 11. What is the value of a plus b? I got it. It's 11. So guys, if you run into an elimination problem on the SAT, try this way first. Right now, I added the equations up. Sometimes you might want to subtract them. Try to figure out the most efficient way to get this expression, okay? So let me just go ahead, circle D, and we are done. Thank you so much, guys. It's always a pleasure teaching you guys something new. I will see you guys next time. Ciao.